This is the best period to make money online. In this video, I'll be sharing different ways of how to make money online in the comfort of your home. Yes, without stress. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl, Ritwom, your favorite finance lady. If this is the first time seeing this video, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Ritwom. To my existing subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you for sticking around, staying tuned. You guys are wonderful. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's go straight into the video. I posted a part 1 of this video, which are precautions to take when making money online, or things you need to look out for when making money online. If you have not seen the video, I'm going to put the link in my description box below. Please go check the video out. So this is the part 2 of the video, which is the real deal, how to make money online. There are different ways to make money online, but I'll be talking about a few ways on how to make money online. I have few speakers, and you'll be hearing from the horse's mouths. They make money online. They are going to share their experience and how they do it and how they make money online. So please stay tuned. The first speaker is going to be talking about how she started selling online with no physical store, no product, and zero capital.
Hi everyone, my name is Oluwatobiloba. I currently work with a consulting firm and I have my side business, or I'm into side hustle as well. So currently I sell household items. You'd ask, how did I start? Is my business big? Well, I'll answer you shortly. So first of all, I met a friend or a neighbor, yes, a neighbor, who was into household items, and I was actually looking for something to do. And I know that I had a flair for fanciful things, and I saw that she was also into very nice household items, but they were quite fanciful as well. And then I told her I wanted to go into business with her. And so what did she do? She sent me some pictures of some of the household items she was selling, and I posted some of them online. So I took some of the products to the office to get some buyers, and which I got. But most of my sales were from my colleagues at work and my WhatsApp contacts. And so I posted pictures. So she gave me at a very discounted price, and I added little profit, and that was how I made my money, bit by bit by bit. And at some point I decided to go solo, so I also went into bringing my own stuff, getting my own stuff myself, which I sold to some persons as well. So basically, the idea came from getting pictures from someone who was into the business and adding a little profit and selling to people. That was how I started. And you'll be surprised, wow, she started with zero capital. Yes, I started with zero capital. I had no capital at all. All I did was to put the pictures online, people would order, and then they would pay, and then I sold the goods to them. And that was how it all started. And here I am today. I'm still into that part of the business, but however, I'm also into another group where I buy things from, like a wholesaler. Yes, and so I am a retailer, and so I buy things wholesale and I sell to people. The whole the whole stuff still continues. The whole cycle where I post pictures and people order, and I use their money to buy the goods and all. It still continues. So my little advice for people who are out there, you've been wondering, how do I start this side hustle? Babe, guy, look around. There's something to start selling. If you check Nigeria now, almost everybody's into something. They're selling this or that. Just start. Look for someone you can get durable, quality products, and check for what people really, really want to buy at this moment, and then go into business with a person, and you could follow the procedure or the steps I just mentioned, and there you have it. You're earning normal salary, and then you're earning little money that can help you take care of your day-to-day expenses. That's how I did it. So my advice to you is get started.
I hope you enjoyed our video and you learned one or two things from my experience. Okay, so the next person we're talking about cryptocurrency. Yes, I know a lot of people know about cryptocurrency. I personally don't know about it, but he will be talking about his experience, how he earn money via cryptocurrency, and basically anything you need to know about cryptocurrency. So stay tuned.
Hello everyone, my name is Olumolade Oluwaseun, CEO of Oriska Enterprise. I buy and sell crypto. Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies. Bitcoin happens to be the first cryptocurrencies. Other coins are being categorized as altcoins. We have Nano, Ethereum, Cardano, Binance Coin, and many others as altcoins. Crypto business is a good business and a profitable one, though it has its own risk, but these risks are manageable. All it takes to do crypto business is just your phone and internet service. Once you have these two, then you are good to go. Let me burst your brain with this testimonial. In March 13th, I called on my 10 good friends that we should invest in Bitcoin. I noticed that the price of Bitcoin dropped to $4,000. Only four people responded, plus myself making five. We bought one Bitcoin and we sold in April at the rate of $9,500, meaning what we made a profit of $5,500. No job, no government job in Nigeria as at today or private organization anywhere that can offer you that kind of free money. Crypto business is a good business, profitable one and lucrative one indeed.
Wow, wow, like guys, this is mind blowing. I really enjoyed what it said. Like I said before, I don't know anything about cryptocurrency, and I really understand and I get a lot of things. Like basically, I know it's basic information about cryptocurrency, but it's something. And I think I should start investing in cryptocurrency. Yeah, I should. And I'm gonna do that. I'm sure you're gonna do that. The final speaker will be talking about making money online by writing articles. I know a lot of people are talented. Yes, you are talented. You go to social media and start writing 8 comments, or you just type and chat, and you have that writing skills. Why not use the skills to make money?
Hi guys, my name is Richard Okmola. I'm a blogger and I'm a content writer. Today I'll be telling you about how to make some cash from content writing. So content writing is basically split into two. We have the media writing, which is the online social media writing, and then we have the printed text writing, which is for the newspapers and the likes. So, but basically we're focusing on the online media writing since that's what will be much easier for everybody to fall in place and then understand. So basically, I'm talking about 4 points that makes you become an outstanding writer. And the first thing is the heart of reading. For you to become a good writer, you have to become a good reader first, because it's the work of others that you've read, that you've assimilated, that you've digested, that makes you become an outstanding writer. So first of all, take note that you have to be a good reader. So the second thing is that you have to learn to intentionally write. So writing comes with a lot of stress. Sometimes you don't feel like writing, sometimes you are bored, sometimes you're constrained to write, but there's a need for you to develop an interest in writing so that you can engage your audience. So that's one of the, also that's the second point to take note of. The third point to take note of is this art of storytelling. The art of storytelling talks about you being able to narrate your story, tell people about how you achieved a goal, tell about events, narrate, be descriptive, and then get attention of people to what you are doing, and then that way takes us to the number 4 point, which is getting your online audience. So when you get the online audience, there are two things that tends to happen. Is that they criticize your work or they appreciate your work. Now, when they criticize your work, you tend to appreciate it more because they give you the correct feedback that every person needs to get, and then you develop yourself in that aspect to become. Having said all this, how do I make money from writing? First of all, you have to know that writing has different niche, and you have to specialize in a particular niche that you can become an expert in that area. So you talk about blogging, which has to do with blog content provision or website provision. We talk about social media marketing, social media content, digital marketing content. We talk about article research writing, applied and academic research, and the likes. So all these things together, you can just look at them and look at the area where you find more interest and you derive pleasure in writing them on them. That way you can easily become efficient in writing, and then you contribute more to your community. At least you can earn an average of 10,000 naira every month from writing if you truly put all these things to practice, and then you equip yourself to become a better writer.
Yes, he said it well. He said it all. You can make money by writing articles and the likes. I'm not a fan of writing, but if you know that is what you are into, grab the opportunity and start making money. I hope you've learned something from this video and I hope you've enjoyed it. Please, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. So I know there are different ways to make money online, like I said before, and these are just a few ways. You can make money on forex, you can make money on social media, you can make money on different investment platforms. Yes, and they are online at the comfort of your home. Yes, so if you want me to make a separate video on forex, how to trade on forex, how to make money on forex, just drop your comments. I'm going to read it and I'm going to see the number of people that want me to make this video. Yes, please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share with your friends. I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.